Hey everyone, it's Barni from Intech Studio, and today I have some very important news to share with you. The Profile Cloud has finally arrived into the grid editor, and I am here to tell you what is it, how to use it, and how can you make the most of it. So let's get started. To have Profile Cloud, you have to run the grid editor version 1.2.35 or above. If you have any older version, go to the website intech.studio and go to grid/editor and update your editor. And we are here in the newest version. We can see that the former Profiles panel was completely replaced by the new Profile Cloud panel. To start, we have to log into our Intech Studio account, or if you don't have one, please register. So we are here, I am logged into my account. Also, if you are logging in the first time, you will have to choose a username, which will be then displayed by the profiles you submit. But we will talk about that later on. So, to start, let's suppose I just made a cool configuration on this PBF4 and I want to save it, right? What to do? In the current state of development, a profile only means one page, so I have to select the page I would like to save on that profile. After I'm done with that, I will click Save Local Profile. What happens now is I just made a local profile which is stored on my device. To see where your profiles are stored, hit Settings and go to User Library, and there you will be able to see where to find those files in your Files Manager. Here you also have the option to migrate profiles if you have saved any profiles in an older versions of the grid editor. Now we are back at the Profile Cloud panel, and we can see we have several options to choose from. If we double-click the name of a profile, we can rename it. If we double-click the description of a profile, we can edit the description, or we can delete the profile, or upload it to the cloud, or overwrite it, which means it is overwritten with a new page we just selected. Let's hit the upload button to see what happens. As you can see, it disappears from the local profiles panel and it appears at the Profile Cloud panel. It is important that any uploaded profile by default is in the private state, which means that you can find it from any device you are logged into, but all the other users won't be able to find it unless you click the link button. By this you can share the URL of a profile, and this way anyone with the link can open it and import it. We can see that an uploaded profile is still editable. You can still delete it, and if you would like to, you can import it back into the local profile panel. This way it will be stored again on your local device. You can do that with any other profiles as well. Now, let's click this switch next to the lock icon to make this profile public. As you can see, the icon changes instantly, and from now on, this profile is public, and every other community member can find it, load it to the module of theirs, or import it to their local profiles. Of course, a published profile is still editable and deletable by the creator. And that's all for today. I hope you gained some valuable knowledge and that you will enjoy using the Profile Cloud. We promise that we will come out with some updates soon regarding searching and filtering in the Profile Cloud. In the meantime, please share your ideas with each other and enjoy creating.